Something else we get asked is, when is the best time to install Clear Bra in your vehicle? Ultimately, the best time is straight from the factory. And even then, with the way I-35 is, we've had clients who took delivery of a Tesla, for example, in Austin, drove it up to Harker Heights, and already had rock chips. The longer you wait, the more likely you are to see some imperfections in the Clear Bra. Now, does the Clear Bra still look better than had you not done it at all? Probably. But it depends on what you're looking for in your Clear Bra and how particular you are. So if you have a car, this is a 2017 for example, that has a good bit of highway rash, I think it still looks better, but you do see some bumps in the film, which are small sandblast rock chips from over the years.